Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disconnect future activity on your account on Messenger on your account center, easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click settings, and here we'll find it. Here we'll find your information and permissions, click on it. You will find here your activity of Meta Technologies. Here we'll find manage future activity, click on it, and here we'll find disconnect future activity, click continue, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.